Ever wonder why people say bless you when someone sneezes? Centuries ago, people believed sneezing let evil spirits enter the body. Saying bless you was meant to protect the soul. During the Black Plague, a sneeze could mean serious illness. So people said God bless you as a quick prayer for survival. There was even a myth that your heart stops when you sneeze. So the blessing was thought to keep you alive. Today, it's just polite habit. But every bless you carries centuries of fear, faith, and tradition.